I was having issues. I had a bridge in my mouth, and the teeth around that bridge had gone bad, and so that was going to require some major work. As I'm older now, I'm retired from the engineering board, and so I'm just entertaining and having fun. And it's a big part of my lifestyle. But what happened is when you have a problem in your mouth, then that just totally makes it difficult to do the things that help you to sing well. I having to change my style and deal with things to do it. And I was also very self-conscious, and that's not good, about my appearance and things. Dr. Hall, he made me feel comfortable about it. He answered all my questions, and as we were going through the decision process, and he's showing me what my options were. And then Dr. Hall, when we did the procedure, he did his best. It was a long procedure, and he did his best to make me feel comfortable through it. My life now is so much better. They did a really great job, and then I've had a great reaction from people. After the procedures here, the implant procedure, then it just immediately all those problems cleared up. So I'm no Mariah Carey now, but I'm the best as I can be, at it. So I'd like to thank Dr. Hall for his professionalism and making me feel at ease as I go through this very difficult process that for me was a difficult process. I think it is for anybody, dentistry is. And it's as good an experience as I've ever had.